Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Christian Waller here. Today I want to give you guys some conversion rate hacks that's going to allow you to be able to bring paid traffic into your store and actually result with sales, because there's no point on paying for all of this traffic and not being able to convert your customers. So I'm going to show you guys the tips that I've used to be able to take my stores from not being profitable to profitable with some simple hacks that I'm going to show you. Stay till the very end. If you like this content, just like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate you guys so much. Let's get straight into the content. We're talking about the ways to boost your e-commerce conversion rates. Like I said, you don't want to spend money to get paid traffic to your website and you're not being able to convert them. So let me give you the actual tips and hacks that I've used to be able to increase my conversion rates. If at any time you guys like this content, definitely, like I said, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below any questions that you may have. So when you're getting started with e-commerce, a lot of people just kind of get used to taking images from AliExpress and not going out there and double checking, are these images actually selling the product, selling the benefits? Are they clear to understand? And do they have any branding on them? Because when it comes to selling, you have to make sure that you're using the proper imagery, because a lot of people are visual. So people want to actually see how the product works. People want to actually see it in action. They want to see it on different sizes of people. They want to kind of be able to understand more about the product and the feeling that they're going to receive when they're going to get that product. So using high quality images and video on your product pages is absolutely essential. Guys, you want to make sure that on your product pages, on your website, you have a detailed product description. All right. Make sure you describe the product in great detail so the customer knows exactly what they're getting. All right. So when you describe the product, you don't just describe like the weight, the color. No, you want to describe like the lifestyle, the benefits of actually using the product, the different changes, right, of whatever pain they may be having now, and the type of reward or the type of feeling that they're going to get that's going to be way farther away from that pain that your product is going to help them be able to achieve. So allow customers to review products, guys. Social proof is heavy when it comes to anyone making a purchasing decision, especially online. But it really works just in sales in general. When people see other individuals that you've successfully been able to have transactions with or be able to get a result from your product, it makes them want to feel more trustworthy getting some purchasing or dealing or doing business or purchasing from your company. So collect photo reviews from your happy customers to strengthen your brand and boost sales with strong social proof. So basically, if you're also getting negative reviews, that's going to also shed some light on maybe you have a bad supplier, maybe it's not really as good as a product you thought it was, and maybe you need to work on tweaking some different processes in your business, maybe customer service, maybe checkout experience. You allowing your customer to give you feedback is crucial to any business. So I do suggest this to all of people inside of my programs or in my communities to make sure you go out there and use Lukes. It's really going to boost conversion rates. It helps out a lot. So if you want a free trial, I do have a special free trial link down below. All you got to do is click the link in the description box, and you can check that out and start getting some reviews on your website. It allows you to import reviews from AliExpress, allows you to get reviews from your customers. It even allows for you to request reviews from old customers that have already purchased from you, so that way you can start building up that social proof, guys. We want to see other happy people using the products that we're looking to buy. I mean, any platform, eBay, Amazon, all these different platforms definitely go out there and show you that reviews is super heavy when it comes to making a purchase decision online. When you're selling a product, you're selling most likely a product that a lot of other stores are selling, right? Number one, you want to make sure you're not selling products that people are selling, in stores that people can go quickly drive to the gas station, to the, Walmart, Target. You don't want to sell products that people can easily just go buy like that. You want to sell products that are unique, and you want to have some type of unique selling proposition that you can think of when you're selling a product, right? Talk about why the customer should buy from you specifically. Maybe about your company, your mission statement, right? You guys may be going out there trying to help humanity, selling products that can be recycled. You guys may also have good customer service that's 24/7, and they can get a response maybe through call, text, live chat, whatever the case may be, which does really boost your conversions, letting them know that, hey, we can go out there and handle your any questions. Not only that, maybe a refund policy, shipping times. We can be able to get your products within 3 to 7 days. Maybe you have a United States supplier. You may be shipping in-house. Whatever. If you have that, let them know, because that's a unique selling proposition. A lot of dropshipping stores are only going to focus on the suppliers that may take a way longer time but it may be super cheap to source those products. But then there's products that now you have to go out there and do additional work, like get a sourcing agent, or you may have to go out there and find a United States warehouse, or a supplier with the United States warehouse. And your products may be a little bit more expensive, or you may have to put up upfront costs. But that's going to give you a unique selling proposition that's going to make people want to go out there and buy from you. And offer free shipping, guys. In today's market, free shipping is an absolute must. I tell everyone, always use free shipping. And one of the things, if you want to figure out how to make more money on the back end, one of the things that we do use is processing, right? Using processing, having an order bump or or an additional shipping method that you can add in the Shopify that's going to allow you to be able to have rush processing. And all that means is basically you're going to fulfill their order before anyone else's. So offer free shipping, but you can go, if you want to increase order values, just add the shipping cost to the actual product. You know what I mean? Or add rush processing, so that way they can get free shipping. But if they want to get their orders processed faster than everyone else, they can pay an extra $5 or $7. So, you think you can't offer free shipping, keep in mind that it's a psychological game. E-commerce is very heavy on psychology. That's really what sales is about. But it's not like a psychology and tactics that's tricking people. It's all about, how to make people trust you more, how to make people take action. So increase your product prices to cover the shipping costs if that's what needs to be done. Conversion rate optimized theme. Guys, your website needs to have a fast load time. So go on Google and check the page speed insights. It's just type in page speed in insights, and that's a free tool from Google that checks the desktop and mobile site speed. It's going to allow you to be able to see how fast is your site loading. If your site isn't loading fast, what I do recommend is there's free apps that boost the site speed in the Shopify app store. In your app store, you can check that out and use those. Or there's even some that compress the images on your sites, because that's usually what goes out there and makes the site run slow. Or just even deleting some of the apps in your store that you don't need. That also helps. Making sure that your website is mobile ready. People are going on mobile heavy nowadays, so it needs to be mobile ready. If your site's not mobile ready, don't launch it, or you need to recreate your whole thing. Then matching colors, guys. Not only matching colors, but colors that make people feel comfortable, right? Make people feel good about your brand. So blue, greens, all these different colors, really in certain shades. It really goes really in depth. But just matching colors in general just shows professionalism, kind of branding, and just kind of gives your store a more clean layout. So the theme that I recommend that you guys use that has all these things in place is Shopdevise. especially for those that's drop shipping and you want to kind of build more trust. Even if you have a brand e-commerce website, this theme really, really helps, right? And this theme is the Shopdevise theme. As you can see right here in the top right hand corner, they have a phone number for people who want questions. They have and not only that, they have a banner at the top for if you want to talk about free shipping, which I usually do on my stores. They allow you to be able to show how much people are saving currently from your regular price to whatever the sale price is. They have already integrated trust badges all over the website that look really official, clean. They don't look spammy like how a lot of dropshipping stores do. And you can even customize the actual delivery time that a customer can expect for their product, which can give them a realistic expectation of when their product is going to come, which is going to make people feel more comfortable with buying from you. The site speed is already optimized. They optimize the images so that way the website moves very fast. And there's just a lot of different conversion rate optimization that they've already put in. It was even created by someone who's a conversion rate specialist. And I use this theme on my stores and I recommend it to people in my community, and it's generated high conversion rates for my Shopify stores. So I'll only recommend this to you guys if I knew it was going to bring in results. And basically, Shopdevise is the best custom Shopify theme, and it's the highest converting. It's built for mobile, so that way majority of your traffic already come from mobile. So it's going to make sure that your mobile layout is super nice, clean, and really easy for mobile user interface. And it's lightning fast, guys. Like I said, speed is important. So it loads up really fast, which improves your Google ranking for SEO. Even if you're running Google ads on your store, it's going to allow you to rank higher because your website is loading faster. So if your website's loading faster, your different ad platforms that you're running your ads on are going to really want you to rank higher because they're seeing that people are getting on your websites, which is going to decrease the bounce rates, which is going to make the ad platform like your website to rank first. So this is going to help with you being able to get cheaper cost per click, just a whole bunch of things, because you're making the ad platforms like your site. And I do have a link down below for you to be able to get this at a good price. Just click the link down below to get Shopdevise. Get that program. Well, it's a theme. Get it uploaded. It's super simple to upload into your store, and it has a lot of other things that you'd have to go out there and get in apps. So it will save you money in the long run from all the different monthly recurring fees. And guys, shipping information. Include shipping information on your web page. So not only do you need to talk about the free shipping that you're going to be offering, because that's what people are expecting nowadays, but include additional shipping details. Like I had showed you, the Shopdevise theme shows when the expected date for the package is going to be. And that's what people want to see. People want to see how many days is this going to take. People want to see when can I expect the package, because if they know, they feel more comfortable buying from you, because it's not going to have them thinking that it's going to come in 2 days and now they're angry at you. Sometimes people really don't even care how fast the product is coming, but they want you to be authentic and transparent with them. So, and just make it sound good, right? If you know your product is going to come in a certain amount of time, say that if it's going to take maybe a certain amount of days, say that in calculate the shipping time in business days, and say that it's going to come in this amount of time in business days. Instead of saying the days, you can say weeks. Talk about it, be authentic about it, and there's different ways to work around that to be able to get better shipping times and be able to provide more authentic, genuineness on your sites. And then one-page checkout is a game changer, guys. It's faster and it's more user-friendly, right? So if people have a one-page checkout, they can be able to do everything it takes to put in their card information, billing, everything in one page. So, the less time someone has to think about putting in all this information and going to next pages and loading more pages, more to put in more information just to buy, the less pages that you have to make it easier for them, the less they can think about switching their mind, waiting until later. It's just going to make them have less frustration and a less of a reason to abandon the cart. So here's the multi-step checkout on the left-hand side. Here's the one-page checkout on the right-hand side. You'll notice that the multi-step checkout has contact information on the first page, and then it's going to take them to another page for the shipping method, and that's just doing too much. With the one-page checkout, it's customer information, which is their email, shipping address, the billing address, is the same as the shipping, or is it use a different one, and then credit card information, and at the very end, it has a complete order button. So I actually have used this, and it really does increase the conversion rates. The less pages that people have to go through to purchase, it's really going to make your sales go up. So I do have a link down below for Bold Cashier. That's an app that it's a whole program that allows you to customize your checkout to be able to optimize for one page. I do have the link down below in the description box for that as well. So check out the links down below, guys. Use these tips to be able to skyrocket your conversion rates, bring in paid traffic, and be able to produce sales. Okay? It's not about going out there and trying to do all the most urgency and all that stuff. Make your website clean, fast, and provide the value, the benefit, the lifestyle, and then the features, so that way your customers can buy from you, trust you, and want to buy more. So I hope you guys love this content. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and check the links in the descriptions for all my programs and the different links that you guys can take advantage of to increase your conversion rates. So I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace.